Good afternoon again. We are here at Lagasang Fuji, Muscabite. So this is the fourth times of our therapy day. So let me see your two legs. Put it up, okay? Right now, okay? Ito po. Everybody, that is live. And then your upper extremities, your shoulder. Yeah, that's it. That's it. That's it. Again, mommy, again. 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 Your, no, yeah, yes. That's it. That's it. That's it. Yeah, that's it. Oh. Unbelievable. So, mga kababayan, ito po ang ating patutuo sa mga gusto pang makawitness ng Jisuga. Please try this therapy because it will help you a lot to bring you in a normal walking. As in, you can visit your loved one and you can do your shopping and then going to church every day, wherever you want to go, you can go. So this is the operation of medical mission. This is Jisuga. So thank you very much, mga kababayan. Thank you po. Arigato.